in Xiamen University in China, we decided to travel 2 weeks in Vietnam, from south to the north, starting from Ho Chi Minh City. After we arrived at the airport, we withdrew money from ATM and we took the bus to the city. Easily we found our hostel in Bui Vien Street, and we had a delicious breakfast that we missed a lot, because in China there is no breakfast culture.
Good morning, Vietnam. After 5 hours of sleep, we were so tired. Now it's 2 p.m. and now we're going to eat something. To a sense market.
Our first stop is Sense Market, which is full of different cuisines and local Vietnamese tastes, but a little bit high prices comparing with the street food.
We don't know how to use this. We have no idea. Look at this.
It is true, we don't know what we ordered. But after a quick brainstorm, we found how to use that white thing. It is rice paper, which is used for making famous and delicious Vietnamese spring roll. We prepared it for ourselves, putting some veggies, rice spring roll, and rice noodle on the rice paper. And ta-da! This is fresh spring roll. There is also fried spring roll, which is much more delicious than fresh spring roll and similar to Chinese spring rolls. Spring roll, spring roll, spring roll! After we finished everything on our plates, we are heading to our next stop, War Remnants Museum. You need to be talented to cross a street in Vietnam. On the way to War Remnants Museum, we passed by a park that people play a weird game. Ta Khao, Vietnam's ancient game that also known as foot badminton. It's similar to badminton, but instead of a racket, players use any part of the body to strike this shuttlecock.